We are on the beach at Bombay.
Man, I should have worn flip-flops.
Bombay Beach, Biennale. And this is the scene.
Are you making a video?
Howdy y'all, and welcome back to another video of Bombay Beach Biennale. It's a festival that happens once a year. This is the map of Bombay Beach, and these are the events. First, a little follow along. I love these Dixie cups. Let's see what we can see around the beach. See, these are some of the art installations. Anyone can come and do art here, but this season is for the LA artists that come out and do all these things and put them all over the beach. A couple nude art installations. These are, that might be a solar station where I could charge. I'm gonna check it out. And then some art installations along the beach. There's some people out in the waters, and there's the jungle gym and the swing. And there's a dock we went out on before that has like a couch out there. So it's pretty rad. Go out there tomorrow. And this year we couldn't get on, you can't get in without a pass. To camp on the beach. Dave. Right on. What do you think, Mikey, compared to last year?
I think it's getting bigger and bigger. These are the early days. Get in while the getting's good.
That's right.
It's going to blow up more and more every year until they start charging too much.
Yeah. Biennale happens once a year in the third week of March, just before prom. And it's a group of LA artists that come together and put all these art installations on the beach.
They decided to come here.
There goes Terry and Tom, and here goes me.
Probably. We're gonna re-push.
Woo!
Yeah, you have to spend money on clothes. I don't spend money. Let us know when you're done. We can stop you.
I think so. We are entering a dimension of another time and space. Into Circus Land and Showtown we go for the performance of the circus actors. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe if you would be a dear. And come on back now for that next day 2 of Biennale at Bombay Beach.